Ever open your inbox and instantly feel overwhelmed by walls of text? Dozens of long messages, updates, and threads fighting for your attention? You're not alone. But what if I told you Gemini, Google's AI chatbot, can summarize any email for you, instantly, as long as you prompt it the right way? Gemini is powerful, but like any AI, it only performs as well as the instructions you give it. A vague prompt gives vague results. A precise, structured prompt gives you clarity. Step 1. Give context. Gemini doesn't know your inbox or your priorities unless you tell it. So before asking it to summarize, include a short intro like this. Gemini, I'm pasting an email below. Please summarize it clearly so I can understand the main points and action items. This sets expectations for Gemini. It now knows what to focus on. Now paste the email exactly as you received it. Don't edit or reformat it yet. The more context Gemini sees, the better it performs. But remember, avoid forwarding confidential data or personal details. Keep it professional and privacy safe. Step 2. Define your goal. Next, define why you want the summary. Are you trying to reply quickly, identify tasks, or just get the main idea? The more specific your goal, the better Gemini can shape its summary. Here are examples. Summarize this email in 3 bullet points highlighting key action items. Give me a short summary as if I need to brief my team. Explain this email like you're summarizing for a meeting update. When you define purpose, you reduce confusion and get structured, readable results. You're not just telling Gemini to summarize, you're telling it how to summarize. Step 3. Choose a format. Gemini can summarize in different formats: bullet lists, paragraphs, or even tables. Try this. Summarize this email in a 3-sentence paragraph and a short bullet list of next steps. This gives you both clarity and action at a glance. Now, let's move into part 2, where we'll look at real examples, advanced tips, and how to refine Gemini's summaries for maximum accuracy. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about refining your Gemini prompts for precision and consistency. This is where good prompting turns into great prompting. Step 4. Refine for tone and length. You can adjust tone, length, and detail level. Try prompts like, summarize this email in under 100 words. Give me a quick, friendly summary I can forward to my coworker. Provide a detailed summary for my notes, focusing on key arguments. Each of these changes the outcome drastically. Gemini follows the structure and tone cues you set. Step 5. Ask for categorization. If you get multiple emails on similar topics, ask Gemini to categorize or label them. Example: summarize this email and label it as one of the following: urgent, follow-up, or informational. This helps you prioritize without reading every word. Perfect for busy professionals. Step 6. Chain your prompts. You can go further by chaining prompts. Start broad, then refine. Example: first, Gemini, summarize this long email chain in simple terms. Then follow up with, now focus only on the parts mentioning project deadlines and deliverables. By narrowing the focus step by step, Gemini filters noise and keeps what matters. And here's the trick. You can even ask Gemini to prepare replies based on the summary. Example: based on this summary, draft a polite reply, confirming receipt and next steps. Gemini instantly creates a context-aware draft you can tweak and send. Step 7. Add personal workflow prompts. Once you find what works best, save your favorite prompts. Here are a few you can reuse daily. Summarize this email for quick understanding. List key decisions and deadlines. Turn this email into a short meeting note. Highlight what actions are assigned to me. Reusing structured prompts ensures consistent results across all your summaries. Remember, Gemini isn't magic. It's a reflection of your clarity. The sharper your prompt, the sharper the output. Quick recap. Give context. Define your goal. Choose your format. Refine tone and length. Categorize. Chain prompts. Save your best templates. By following this framework, you'll cut through inbox chaos, save hours of time, and always know exactly what each email means before you respond. If you want ready-made prompt templates like these, Check out my free Top 10 AI Prompts Guide and exclusive prompt training at stan.store/simplealife. You'll also get access to my community where you can ask how-to questions and grab the advanced 25 AI prompt PDF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.